In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free landing page using Weebly, perfect for beginners who are diving into the world of website building. We'll go through this process step by step, ensuring that even if you've never created a website before, you'll feel confident by the end of this tutorial. So, get comfortable and let's get started. First, you'll need to visit the Weebly website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Weebly's homepage. You'll find it easy to navigate as it's designed intuitively for beginners. Once you're there, you'll see the Weebly dashboard. Now take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's pretty user-friendly. Once you're comfortable, the next thing you want to do is look at the upper left corner of the dashboard. Go ahead and click there. It's the main menu where you have access to several options. What we're interested in today is adding a new site, which leads us to our next action. Simply click Add Site. This option allows you to start building a new landing page from scratch. Don't worry if it feels complicated at first. It's straightforward once you get the hang of it. After clicking on Add Site, you'll be presented with a choice. Select I just need a website. This decision will signal Weebly that you're focusing on creating a website without needing an online store or similar functions. It's all about simplicity here. Next, you'll get to the exciting part of selecting a theme. Weebly offers a variety of themes such as business, portfolio, personal, and more. Today, we'll select a theme suitable for showcasing a business. But if you're drawn to a different one, that's perfectly fine. The beauty of Weebly lies in its versatility, allowing you to pick the theme that best suits your needs. Once you've settled on a theme, click Start Editing. This step will transfer you into the editing mode, where you can begin customizing your page. At this stage, you'll need to choose a domain name. It's important to pick a name that's not only relevant but also memorable for your audience. Take your time here. It's the web address people will use to find your page. After choosing your domain name, click to edit the background. You can get creative here and really make it your own, playing with colors, images, and textures until it's just right. When you're happy with the background, turn your focus to the pages of your site. Find the Pages button and click it. This is where you can explore and edit to tailor the content exactly how you envision it. Weebly offers plenty of customization options, so feel free to dive deep and make the website yours. And there you have it. You've reached the point where you can fully explore and edit your new site. Whether you're adding images, text, or links, remember that Weebly's drag and drop editor makes it all incredibly straightforward. Enjoy creating your landing page and don't hesitate to play around with different elements until everything aligns perfectly with your vision.